Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. Optimize your gut. Practical tips and science-backed strategies for better gut health. Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today, we're delving into the nitty-gritty of gut health, because a healthy gut is a happy gut. We've discussed the signs of an unhealthy gut in our previous video, and now it's time to roll up our sleeves and talk about practical tips and science-backed strategies to optimize your gut health. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our empowering health content. Let's get started. Tip 1. Incorporate fiber-rich foods. Fiber is the unsung hero of gut health. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are rich in fiber. The scientific magic here is that as these bacteria ferment fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which nourish the cells lining your colon and contribute to a healthy gut environment. Tip 2. Embrace probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are the friendly bacteria that promote a balanced gut microbiome. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources. The science behind this is fascinating. Introducing beneficial bacteria through your diet can enhance the diversity and abundance of the microbiota, creating a more resilient gut ecosystem. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key, not just for overall health but also for your gut. Water helps with the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Adequate hydration supports the mucosal lining of the intestines, preventing constipation and promoting a smoothly functioning digestive system. Remember, a well-hydrated gut is a happy gut. Tip 4. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can negatively impact your gut health by disrupting the balance of microorganisms. The science behind this is that stress activates the fight or flight response, diverting resources away from digestion. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help manage stress and promote a healthier gut environment. Tip 5. Get quality sleep. The importance of good sleep cannot be overstated. During sleep, your body undergoes crucial repair processes, and this includes your gut. Poor sleep can alter the composition of your gut microbiota, potentially leading to imbalances. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal gut health. Tip 6. Diversify your diet. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also essential for a healthy gut. Consuming a diverse range of foods introduces a wider array of nutrients and supports a more diverse microbiome. Think of your gut as a garden. The more diverse the plants, or in this case, foods, the more resilient and thriving your gut ecosystem becomes. Tip 7. Limit antibiotic use. While antibiotics are life-saving medications, overuse can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Antibiotics don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria, and the collateral damage can impact your gut health. Always take antibiotics as prescribed by your healthcare professional, and consider probiotic supplementation during and after a course to restore balance. Tip 8. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not just for the body, it's for your gut too. Regular physical activity promotes gut motility, which helps move food through your digestive system. Additionally, exercise has been shown to positively influence the composition and diversity of the gut microbiota. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving for a happier gut. There you have it, practical tips and science-backed strategies to optimize your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is a journey, not a destination. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based insights into health and wellness. Share your gut health tips or questions in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. Thanks for watching.